Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. In this video, we will walk you through on how to post pictures and videos on Reddit. To post pictures or videos, open Reddit application. Click on the plus icon on the toolbar at the bottom screen. Select the community you want to share your post on. Enter title. You can add tags, which is optional. Enter body, which is optional. On the toolbar below, click the first icon, which is the add link option. A new field will be added in which you can manually enter the link or paste from your clipboard. Click on the picture or video icon on the toolbar to upload pictures or videos. You can crop the video or add filters, then click on next. When done, you can share your post to the community by clicking the post icon at the top right. That is it for today, and thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.